In part 1 of this series, we uncovered a hidden crisis. We learned how the artificial frequencies of modern life, like the EMFs pouring out of our phones, routers, and cell towers. Let's start with a fact that will change the way you look at your own body forever. You are made up of approximately 37 trillion cells. That is not 37 million, not 37 billion, that's 37 trillion cells. And by molecule count, 99% of those molecules are this. The answer starts with a groundbreaking discovery made by Dr. Gerald Pollack, a researcher at the University of Washington and one of the world's leading authorities on the science of water. You were taught in school that water has 3 phases: solid ice, liquid water, and steam. Dr. Pollack discovered a 4th. Let's put the two side by side, because the contrast is dramatic. When you drink regular H2O, those chaotic clusters are too large and too disorganized to easily enter your cells. Your body has to spend its own vital energy to restructure that water before it can be absorbed. But H3O2, this is not theory. This is not speculation. The science behind H3O2 is measurable, repeatable, and visible to the naked eye. UV spectroscopy is one of the most precise tools in modern science. When structured biowater is analysed, it shows a massive spike at 277. Now we get to the solution. We knew the science, we understood what the body needed, and we asked ourselves, how do we make this accessible to everyone? How do we put the power to create H3O2 into the hands of every person on the planet? The answer is the Biophotonic Charger app. Built on 4 decades of... The Biophotonic Charger app is a powerful tool for the water you drink. But we wanted to go further. We wanted to make structured water effortless and continuous. Something that works for you around the clock, without you having to think about it. That is why we created the Frequency Caller. The Frequency Caller is a physical... Let's talk about what actually happens inside your body when you start drinking biowater consistently. Cellular hydration improves by up to 45% at the cellular level. This is not water passing through your system and coming out the other side. This is true deep hydration, with water that the science is compelling. But what does it actually feel like to switch to biowater? What do real people experience? Within the first week, users commonly report reduced joint pain and inflammation. Joints that have been stiff and aching begin to loosen. This makes sense because right now, today, you have everything you need to take your health back. The Biophotonic Charger app is available to put on your smartphone. The device you already carry in your pocket can be transformed into a water structuring tool in minutes. Download it, use it, feel the difference. The Frequency Caller is